Friends, another day for you. This is 10th of September 2025. We have got two hands, on my right hand, on my left hand. Both are very much strong, very much eminent, and if you ask me who are they, I will say they are the pillars of success. Every day we choose one supervisor, and the supervisor guides the students how to perform in the class, what are the do's and don'ts, and where they are supposed to act, in which way, in which manner. Without the pillar, the bridge cannot be made. If you make the bridge without the pillar or with a weak pillar, within a course of time, within a very short period, the bridge will collapse and there will be a very big accident. In the similar way, when we run a kitchen, the kitchen works for the preparation of the food not less than, in our example, 250 portions every day on regular basis. So you can very well understand that in a five-star hotel, how much pressure will be there above the chef. I will give you one example. If you take the example of Gurudwaras, if you take the example of the temples or the religious places, like say for example ISKCON temple, you will see the chef is responsible for the preparation of the food for lakhs of portions. So how they are managing? They are managing with the knowledge of the kitchen management, food production, F&B service, etc., etc., etc. So in the second year session of the Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, under whom we are working in the Central IHM Gwalior, we prepare the food for a number of ways, for a number of persons, for the number of religious occasions. Today we have reached in the region of Hyderabad, that is the region of Nizams. Now I would like to request my student supervisors. On my right hand side, Mr. Nitish Demla. On my left hand side, Mr. Ram Kevat. Both are very much expert. Mr. Ram Kevat, how is life? Is it very much fascinating? Is it interesting? Are you enjoying the course? So in which way you will tell the students who are watching this video that come and take the admission in IHM Gwalior? Just tell them one reason, one good reason for that.
फैकल्टी बहुत अच्छी है और अच्छा ही सिखाते हैं यहाँ बनाने के लिए खाना का कोर्स, तो आप लोग एडमिशन ले सकते हैं.
Friends, I will tell you that this boy, he has come in my good book because this boy is very much laborious. Mr. Ram Kevat is very much dedicated to his work. And on my right hand side, Mr. Demla, I would like to shake hand. I would like to shake hand with you and let us show this entire world that these are our boys and these are our students. We really are proud of them. So I would like to tell all the cameramen to have a coverage of all our other boys and girls who I call them, I give them the credit of the colors of rainbow. They are a rainbow and every time they will reflect with their own performances and you will be very much startled after looking at their performances. So both the supervisors, you please give them a short feedback of the preparations. So over to the supervisors.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Nitesh Simla and today I am with my co-supervisor Ram Kevat. We both are in same batch and today we prepare a Hyderabadi menu. So I would like to request with Ram, please give an introduction and give something about knowledge of Hyderabad cuisine.
Good afternoon viewers, my name is Ram Kevat. So today I met Hyderabadi cuisine. So let's come to see the salad preparation. So Balram Parihar.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Balram Pariyar. Today from salad, cucumber, tomato,
See the cuts also. Cucumber,
lemon, round cut.
If you see, the roundels of tomato are properly cutted and this is we called lemon wedges. So thank you Balram for preparing amazing salad preparation. So next we have Patthar Ki Kebab. It is a very amazing dish from Hyderabad. Please cameraman have a look on plating. You can see it look like a volcano, like this is a chicken preparation basically. So it is prepared by Nitish Kumar Shah. Please Nitish, tell something about this.
Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Nitish Kumar Sai, and I am currently pursuing BSc HSA program from third semester from ISM College. Today we have prepared Hyderabadi cuisine, the most famous pattar ke kebab. We have first of all boneless chicken tikka and marinate the some whole spices, and after take a tawa and shallow fry the chicken. And
Okay, what is this, Nitish? What is this looking like sauce? What is
mint
this
sauce. This is a mint sauce.
Okay. This so basically this is the accompaniment of patthar ka kebab. So please, Nitish, taste it and give some good reviews. Nitish, please eat with the sauce. Yes, Yash Patel. How's the taste?
Taste is very good and chicken is so smooth.
Chicken is smooth. And what about Nitish? How is it?
Chicken is well cooked and mint sauce. This is a combination is perfect.
It's perfect.
Taste is awesome.
So we have next dish is tomato ka koot. It is prepared by Love Kush. So Love Kush, please explain this.
My name is Navkush Singh, I am lawyer, BSc of Adia. Tomato korma, tomato का कोट, टमाटो कट्स करके बाद अपनी बॉईल करेंगे टमाटर को बॉईल के बाद निकालने के बाद छिलके निकाल कर मिक्सी में पेस्ट करेंगे। पेस्ट करने के बाद अपन को फिर दोबारा बॉईल करेंगे। उसके बाद सॉल्ट डालेंगे। सॉल्ट के बाद गार्लिक, ग्रीन चिली पेस्ट, अदरक और
It is basically a shorba of tomato, right, Love Kush?
Yes, sir.
It is a tomato shorba served with eggs. You can have a look for eggs. Please, cameraman, focus on the eggs. It is perfectly boiled eggs. If I see smoothly, egg was cutted. My spoon is under the eggs, and egg is perfectly boiled. This is boiled eggs, right?
Yes, sir.
So please, Love Kush, taste it and please share how is it? How is the taste of this?
Give you a friend.
Yes, Nikita, how's the taste?
इसमें टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है, डिलीशियस आ रहा है। इसमें एग का टेस्ट, एग एकदम परफेक्ट कुक है और इसमें टमाटर जो है उसका टेस्ट एकदम अच्छा सा आ रहा है। उसमें सारी चीज़ें परफेक्ट है, मसाले एकदम अच्छे।
Okay. So our next dish is Halim. Halim is look like जैसे किसी का नाम है. So if you look for a dish, it is garnished with caramelized onions and mint leaves and with some dry fruits. Have a look for amazing dry fruits. This is a pistachio nuts and almonds. So this is prepared by Nikita Baghel. Please, Nikita, tell me something about Halim.
गुड आफ्टरनून, माय नेम इज़ निकिता बघेल एंड मैंने और मेरी टीम ने मिलकर हलीम बनाया है, जिससे सबसे पहले मटन उबाला गया है, जिससे उसकी बोन्स निकल जाएं। उसके बाद हमने मटन को चॉप किया है, एकदम फाइनली चॉप। उसके बाद में हम लोगों ने मटन और इसमें दलिया यूज़ होता है, जिसे हमने पकाया है दलिया के साथ में। और इसमें घी है, इसमें घी का टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है। मैं इसे टेस्ट करके बताती हूँ। प्लीज़ आप टेस्ट कीजिए इसे और फिर बताइए।
निकिता, एक पोर्शन आप सर को भी दो।
So this is Halim. It's a mixture of non-veg item, that is mutton, and I think you have added dalia into it.
Yes.
Okay. So friends, it's a kind of khichdi. I will tell you that it's a non-veg sort of khichdi, and this has got a perfect texture. You can see that the combination of the moisture, the dalia, and the mutton keema is very much. Now the thing is, there can be the taste differences within the tongue of the eaters. If I have it, because I'm a non-mutton eater, but still I can taste it. I've taught my students that even if you are a vegetarian, maybe the situation will be like that. You will have to taste the non-veg, but that will depend upon your personal choice and non-choice. But the thing is, if you do not taste it, you will not be able to understand how does it work, how it works in the kitchen. So I will just have it. I can have the taste of the dalia. I can sense the taste of the minced mutton. I can also taste the spices the sliced onion and the salt quantity is controlled. But one thing I will tell you, that if you prepare here, the exactness of the taste will not be enjoyed out here, because in Hyderabad, when you prepare the dish in that particular atmosphere, the things will be different, and the expert, when he makes the dish, the thing will be altogether different. So the things are not bad, but the thing is, we need a lot of practice, and proper guidance under the 5-star deluxe environment. That should be there. I would like to request the supervisor to go for the next item.
So next, this is Rumali Roti, prepared by Muskan Kuswaha. So tell me,
Good
Muskan.
afternoon, viewers. My name is Muskan Kuswaha. I am from Morena, third semester and second year. Today is prepared Hyderabadi cuisine. Me and my friends, Rumali roti and मैदा आटा 50-50। तो उसके बाद उसमें सॉल्ट ऐड किया, फिर मिल्क वाटर, थोड़ा ऑयल को गर्म करके सब लोगों ने आटा लगाया, फिर उसको बहुत नीड किया। नीड करने के बाद उसको 20 मिनट के लिए रेस्ट करने के लिए रख दिया। फिर उसके बाद हम लोगों ने डो बनाए, फिर रोटी
Please, Muskan, I would like to request you give me a bite, and please you also can taste this roti. You see the roti, it is perfectly soft. Have a look for roti, please. Cameraman, focus on the roti. If you see, this is a soft in taste. Taste is very good. This is salty. And if I talk about Rumali roti, it is an Indian bread. It looks very good in shape. Also, the shape is also rounded. So good to go, Muskan Kushwa. Very amazing work you had. So our next dish is Khumani ka meetha. It is prepared by Raghavendra Yadav. Please, Raghavendra, say something about
Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Rahul Sivadoria. I'm a third semester year student in IFM Gwalior. Today we prepared in Hyderabadi cooking, and my partner Raji and Mandisha are also here. And we basically today prepared in Khwani ka meetha. Khwani is basically a apricot. The garnish is almond and pistachio, and so that's it.
Please stay straight. Give to the little portion of Prachi. Please, Prachi, share your reviews.
Supervisor, please.
Taste was very good, and the amazing thing is dry fruits. They are crackling in my mouth, and it looks very good. This is the last dish, as all the menus end with the amazing dessert. It looks good. Please have a look for the dish. It looks very delicious.
The sweetness is perfect, and the dessert and the almonds and pistachio we are garnishing it with.
Today's session is with our first years also. I would like to request to our sir, please come and give a amazing message to the audience.
So friends, that was the episode of the day, and we have seen that each and everything has been explained before you, and now this is the time for you to make an assessment, to mark us that where we made a mistake. Our dialog box is open, our message box is open. Whenever you have got any query regarding any dish, regarding any recipe, you can straightway mention it in the dialog box, in the message box. We assure you that we will try to give you each and every reply. But yes, the question should be justified, the question should be properly framed. And friends, I will tell you one thing, that those who are willing to take up the hotel industry as their future profession, you have to undergo the 3-year degree course in hotel management, that is BSc HHA, which is very much run in the Institute of Hotel Management, Gwalior. So without waiting for anything, if you are interested, please rush into IHM Gwalior for the admission. Institute of Hotel Management, IHM Gwalior, that remains open from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and our website address is www www.ihmgwalior.org. Now, by taking this opportunity for announcing the last but not the least dialogue from my side, that always try, you will see that the time will give a better chance, better opportunity at its disposal, and you will be at the height of the sky. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay nice, stay jolly, stay blessed.